After all this time, I wish I had better news. Despite our undeniable progress, the Empire stands tall. Many of our heroes fallen. Be it as martyrs or cowards, I know how this looks. The path forward seems hopeless. In the face of an enemy, endlessly resourced beyond our wildest simulations. But I assure you, this is a fabrication of the Empire's design. They want to convince you our ships can't fly, that you'll be abandoned by your squad, so that you forget why you put on this gear in the first place. But we haven't forgotten. All we've been given is reason after reason to stand against the Empire. So we're gonna fight to free those trapped by their rule. Fly not just as good, but better. And remind the galaxy that there are still heroes in this fight. May the Force be with you all.